Hi everybody, welcome back. It's Jamie from Heavenly Dreams Dairy Goats. My husband's in the back right now loading up our groceries because we stopped at Sam's Club in Portage, Michigan. And yep, we are under a winter weather advisory and it's snowing now. So get back to what we're talking. This advisory wasn't even supposed to start till 8 p.m. tonight and runs through till tomorrow on the 13th. So I hope to see everybody. We'll just see how much more snow we get. It says 3 to 6 inches, so we'll see. We'll see you guys in a little bit. Hi everybody, we're back home. I've got dinner cooking on the stove. And I wanted to show you guys, my husband's on his way right now to get my daughter from work. She had to work from 7:30 this morning until 6 p.m. at night because of the Super Bowl. So, I want to show you guys our snowstorm that's coming in. And it's supposed to be off and on throughout the day, all the way through tomorrow. Now remember, Ariel's due in 2 days. So tomorrow's Monday, which is the 14th, and she's due Tuesday, the 15th. So happy Valentine's to everybody. Of course, you won't see this video until next week, most likely, because I'm too far ahead on videos. But I just want to keep everybody updated on everything. And then hopefully if I can catch her in labor, we'll do a live for that too. So I'm going to walk outside real quick. And yeah, I don't have a coat on. Of course, you're going to hear Mavis holler for me because she sees me standing here. There you go. There's all the snow falling right now. Up there are the huts to everybody. That's Diamond and Meg's right up there, and then Hercules is right there, Cherry's right there, Zeus is the donkeys, and then the girls. And I'm not sure, but these flakes are pretty big. Can you guys see them falling? It's very chilly out. It's only a high of 18. But it's snowing pretty good. Whew, it's cold out. But yep. I figured I'd walk over here too to see if we could see just the snow falling. Possibly, I don't know. But I mean, you can see how much it is snowing because the woods is pretty snow and foggy looking, which is from the snow. So your window's dirty from the outside. Good morning, everybody. And it's morning. It's light enough out because it's after 7. But I'm going to set you down right here. And you guys are going to come out with me so we can go check Ariel and see if she's in labor. Last night after I milked, I went back out to check her again and she was backed up, having mild, when I mean mild, they're just very, very light contractions because she was fighting with the other girls. So I still haven't milked yet this morning. I still gotta feed babies. And I figured I'd take you guys out with me and we go check her. And this is February 14th, the day before her due date, Valentine's Day. So happy Valentine's Day, everybody. So like I said, we'll go out and check her and see if she is in labor more or if she's just stalling out right now. Check her shape of her bag and fullness. And I'm going to do this as a premiere so it can be as a live. And I'll make sure this time that every video that I do is in the live or premiere. So now I gotta get my coat on and my hat and my gloves. So I'll set you right here and see if I can't There's some of those receipts that I probably need to put in my phone bag. I got all my Valentine's Day packages for those who ordered goat milk supplies, bath bombs, and soaps, and our lotion deal that I did. So I have those that I need to put up now since I've got my orders already filled. It is a whole 7 degrees outside, so it's very chilly. But there's no wind, so it feels like 7. And we did get a little bit of snow yesterday from that winter weather advisory they told us that we were going to get. Not as much snow, but we did get some. On top of all the snow that we've already gotten.